Mating disruption DIY products use species-specific biodegradable pheromone flakes to confuse pests and reduce mating without killing insects. For effective deployment, start by identifying the target pest species and the correct pheromone formulation for that species, because mismatches render the tactic useless. Then calculate the recommended dispenser density based on tree spacing and canopy height, typically following manufacturer guidance, which often specifies 1 dispenser per tree for small orchards or a fixed number per acre for larger blocks. Place flakes in the upper third of the canopy where mating males normally patrol, using lightweight clips or twine so flakes move in the wind and release pheromone more evenly. Monitor populations with simple sticky traps or light traps placed at representative locations and check weekly to detect rising male activity. If trap counts rise above the established threshold for that pest, apply a targeted, low-toxicity spray only to hotspots to avoid disrupting beneficial insects. Replace flakes or ties at the interval the product labels recommend, because most biodegradable matrices lose efficacy over a single season, and store unused product in a cool, sealed container to preserve potency. Keep detailed notes on deployment locations, trap counts, weather during the season, and any supplemental control actions so you can refine density and timing in subsequent seasons. Combine pheromone disruption with sanitation, such as removing infested fruit or pruning out pupal sites to reduce residual populations and improve long-term results. Common mistakes include using the wrong pheromone for the pest, which produces no effect, so confirm pest identification with an expert or trap samples before buying product. A second mistake is under-deploying dispensers by spacing them too far apart. Correct that by following label or supplier density guidance and increasing density in high-pressure blocks. A third mistake is failing to monitor and then assuming control is working. Set up a consistent trap routine and be ready to supplement with targeted sprays when counts exceed thresholds to prevent outbreaks. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and list their services so DIYers can compare help when they need hands-on assistance with orchard projects. We also host a discussion community where we share real-world experiences, deployment tips, and local pest observations so we can learn from one another and connect contractors with work.